Hi, my name is Nikki Jacobson-Zerillo. I want to talk to you today about America's healthcare law, otherwise known as the Affordable Care Act. Recently, all the Republicans and 3 Democrats in the House of Representatives were able to pass a bill that would repeal our current healthcare law. Now that bill is moving on to the Senate. So there's a lot of talk amongst our politicians about whether or not to repeal our current healthcare law. But I don't hear a lot of talk about whether or not the law is actually working. So I thought it was high time that I step forward and tell you that from my perspective, it's working. Not too long ago, I was denied coverage from a private insurance company because I have pre-existing conditions. When the current healthcare law went into effect, I rejoiced because I finally could have healthcare coverage. It's through a program called PCIP, which was established by the law in all 50 states. It's funded through federal seed money and through the premiums of the insured. So all the money goes back into the program. Nothing is wasted or squandered. Everything goes back into insuring those who have pre-existing conditions. I applied to PCIP in California and I was quickly accepted. Since I've been with PCIP, my prescription costs have gone from around $80 a month to $14.95 a month. I only have to pay 15% of my x-ray costs and my lab costs. My doctor has been promptly paid after each office visit that I have had since I've been on PCIP. And sometimes they have paid her within 2 weeks of a visit. Let me tell you another story. Recently I had pneumonia, so I had to go to the hospital for a chest x-ray. The health clerk there called PCIP to verify my coverage. They told her they'd call her back in about 5 minutes, which they did. She related to my husband and me that no other insurance group who had promised to call her back in a reasonable amount of time had ever done so, except for PCIP. Top efficiency and top coverage. I urge every American who has one or more pre-existing conditions to contact PCIP in your state. I also urge you to contact your senators and tell them to vote against repealing our current healthcare law because it's working.